Girl, you glistening, you shining. What is that on you? We call that God's glory, and we call it the Fenty glow as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline, and we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title, you guys, we're gonna be trying out some new makeup. I just purchased some new makeup. Some of them were like restocks, but for the majority was like new makeup that I just wanted to come on here and try it with you guys. Your girl has been shopping, okay? Your girl has been shopping. Your girl has been shopping. Your girl is done shopping, but your girl has been shopping, right? And also, I got the Fenty Beauty Body Lava because, you know, it's summertime and, you know, I want to be shining, 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 shining. Yeah. And I also picked up Honest Beauty, the makeup wipe remover. I feel like it burns my eyes a little bit, but it really takes off the makeup though, I'm not gonna lie. And it leaves your face feeling moisturized and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started and try to get this face together. Let's give it what it needs to be given, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and go with my handy dandy I think it's Olay or O Erickson. This is the moisturizer. I love this perfecting moisturizer. Go up in an upwards motion, and you know, I gotta get the forehead and stuff like that. So I'm gonna share some things that I got from Sephora. I picked up this is called the Super Goop sunscreen, unseen sunscreen, SPF 40. So the great thing about this one is serve as a primer. I did try this on briefly the other day because I was going to be out in the sun and I needed something. It literally did not put that much on when I tried it out last time. All skin types, natural finish, water and sweat resistant, oil free. Directions: apply it generously and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Well, I'm not gonna really be out in the sun, so I'm gonna apply. I don't have to wait 15 minutes. Well, I'll wait a few minutes though before I go ahead. I literally did not put that much on last time. Maybe I should have. Oh my gosh. Okay. Baby, I'm getting that shine. It did say it's for all skin types. Hopefully it doesn't make my makeup look oily because I'm trying like all new products here. So yes, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, shade number 5, and this is what it looks like. So this is just like me repurchasing this. This is not my first time using this, so I usually switch back between the ABH eyebrow pencil or this one. So my ABH finished, so now I'm going back with this one, and this one is, the name stands true, it's very, very precise. So I dread doing my eyebrows because I don't know what I'm going to expect, and I don't like putting moisturizer or anything on my eyebrows because I feel like it gets oily. But I do know that I can use a translucent powder to get all the little oil that's going to be seeping through. Yeah, we'll do that. Listen, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so we definitely gonna try to make it equal over here. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Sephora concealer. This is in the shade 16 Pot de Creme. For the amount of times I spend on my eyebrows, I'm so mad that they disrespect me the way they do, but you know what, one day we will be great. For primer today, I'm gonna be using the Elf Matte Putty Primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. My first time trying it, so I hope it works. Apply a thin even amount to moisturize skin prior to makeup application. Allow to set for 30 seconds before applying the foundation. Apply a thin layer. I hope this works. I'm applying it to the area that gets oily. Of course, the forehead be acting out too, and wait 30 seconds before applying my foundation. My nose is usually the first thing that starts to like shine bright like a diamond, so I hope this thing works. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the infamous Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I got it in the shade 15 Neutral. Now when I did the test online, it said that was a 15.5, but when I went to the store they didn't have it, so they were like, you know, try the 15 to see how it works for you. So I got the 15. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, stays all day and night. This was like $44 plus tax, so you know. So I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out, and again, if I don't like it, I can always exchange it for the shade that best suits me. This is what the bottle looks like. Isn't it pretty? It looks a little bit lighter than my skin. You guys, I also got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is the small bottle. It was like $20. It primes and sets for up to 16 hours. So it smells good. I already feel like this may not be the shade for me, but this is not the shade for me. But we're still gonna go ahead and, you know, try it out. Oh, this foundation is, oh yeah, baby. It's not my shade, but the coverage. This is not my shade at all. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I can definitely go for the 15.5. She was saying they don't sell it in stores. They only sell that shade in between online. It definitely is giving airbrushed. This is the foundation, you guys. This is the foundation. I feel like the coverage of the foundation, it's giving like you don't see nothing. Like, it definitely stands by the name of being flawless from what I could see. I don't know if Charlotte Tilbury carries a concealer, but I didn't get their concealer. I would have loved to have gotten the concealer to make everything better, but since I don't, I'm going with my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C12.5. I might add a little bit of the Sephora concealer. Do you guys see? I feel like I see. Okay, because at first I was like, I don't see. I feel like it's doing something. I feel like it's doing something. Set my nose. Okay. I feel like the face is giving so far. The face is giving. To set my overall face, I'm gonna use Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This one is in the shade Hazelnut. So I usually used to use this one, which is in the shade Deep, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. As you can see, Hazelnut is a little bit darker. So I just thought maybe I can try Hazelnut and, you know, Deep every now and then. I absolutely love it. So I'm setting my face with it, and then I press a little bit on my brows, on my eyelids. We're gonna go in with blush. For blush, I've been loving the Rare Beauty blushes. So I got the one Grateful. This one is like dewy, and then this one is called Love, and I think this one is matte. So I've been mixing them up together. So I start off with the matte one, and then I go over with the dewy one. 1, 2, like that, right? Your girl is loving blush now again, and I just put a little bit. Okay, I may put more than 1, 2 on, but you get the drift. See? But it's okay though. Like, it's only blush, and you see that? Isn't this pretty? I feel like it's so pretty. This is the blush. I don't put it exactly on my cheek up here. I put it a little bit like down below. It has a little mark right there, but it's cool. Just gonna keep pressing it in the skin. Look how nice that looks, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead with the lighter one. You know what, this is my first time. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up more, because this one is a little bit more. Ooh, I put a lot. No, for real. This time I actually put a lot on. Oh shucks. I've seen people like bring it all the way up high. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I'm gonna bring it up high too, girl. How that look? It look like, girl, you got something on the side of your face. Like, are you okay? It's in my hair. My hair is red. My hair is giving. I've seen people do this. Maybe I'm not doing it right, but I kind of low-key like it. I mean, we are trying like new makeup and stuff, so the face is facing and we are here for it. For highlight, I didn't get a chance to really get like a new highlighter, because you know, I've been using this since like it came out, and I don't think it's safe for me to keep using it, but I just love it so much that I wear it all the time, baby. I wear it all the time, all the time, all the time. And this is the ABH and Amrezy highlighter palette. Like, it just does something for me. Like, it's just that girl. Do you see this? This? It's just that girl to me. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. You look at this. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of it on. And then, you know, you gotta get the button nose and the word iricel. The button nose, baby. And then I like to bring some down here on the upper of my lip. Right here. Then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Last time I put some on my forehead and I didn't really like it, so I'm not gonna do that. But like, this is like my favorite highlight. If you guys know of any other like good highlighters that can give me this satisfaction, list it down below so I can try it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm down to try. I'm down to try. You're probably like, that's enough, girl. I just can't help it. Like, I did pick up again a lot of lip products. Juvia, yeah girl, like I went ahead and I went all out. So I have like 4 lip liners in total. 2 of these I got from my local beauty supply store. These are the Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner. One is in the color Espresso, one is in dark brown, and then I picked up 2 from Sephora. This one is the dark brown, and then this one is the intense black for my under eye, and this one is in the shade 17 Molasses. So I hope this color is good for your girl. I was watching a TikTok video and they were talking about this mascara. They're like, this is really good mascara. It is doing what it needs to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Like, you guys know I have boo-boo lashes. Whenever I try to put on mascara, I always find myself blinking, which I'm not supposed to, right? Do you guys see the difference? Like, side view, side profile. Ooh, baby, it's giving. Purchased like 2 type of lashes, right? The first one is the Kiss Lash Couture, the Faux Minx collection. I already used a pair. I was watching TikTok, of course, and this girl was talking about how these lashes are like really good, really full, and I was like, they look really good on her, but I'm like, we have different eye shapes. So then when I saw it and I read the reviews when I went online on Amazon, they were like, if you have small eyes, like, you know, get the cat eye one. So this one is called Poop Hunch False Eyelashes. This is in the cat eye look. You guys, look how thick these lashes are, and you get a good amount. I did wait for the Amazon Prime Day sale, the 2-day sales event, to purchase them because it was originally like $9 or $10. I think I paid like $7 or $6, so that's not bad. If I had known, I would have purchased like a whole bunch more and had them in stock. So I'm gonna try these lashes on today. Like, oh my gosh, ooh, they feel very nice, you guys. They feel really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like I have, like, can I even blink? Oh my gosh, this is definitely too thick. This is too thick for me. I feel like I have spider webs on my lashes. Maybe because I'm not used to like wearing heavy lashes like this. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna leave them on. I'm gonna mess it up. I know. Oh shoot. Oh, it's like, I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my lips. So I'm using this is a Sephora one. This is in the shade Molasses. This is a little bit better. Oh, this is the chocolate liner that I was looking for. So the combination I've been seeing lately is the Juvia's Place Nubian Sand, right? And then I have the Nubian Nude, the gloss and the lipstick. So, ooh, isn't it pretty? The girl said, don't be scared. When you see the color, I'm scared. Okay, I'm a little bit, ooh, I don't want to mess it up. It smells good though. It's very moisturizing. I'm a little bit scared, but I've seen how the girl, when she did it, looked really good on her. So this is what the lip gloss looks like. The shade just looks really cute, really nice, like really nice and pigmented. So we're gonna go ahead and put that one on. Ooh, baby, my lips smell edible, and I'm here for it. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Glow. Ooh, just to give it the body the glow that it needs. Yeah, but do you see the glow, baby? I also picked the Billie Eilish perfume. This is what the perfume looks like. I got the smallest one, 1 fluid ounce eau de parfum. So I'm gonna spray it right here. I'm not supposed to go like this, but guys, this is, you know, the whole face of trying out new products. First and foremost, you guys, this foundation right here, when it comes to giving that airbrush flawless look, I am definitely getting it. Like, oh my gosh, like the face is sitting. I may have to go a shade down, 15.5, just to get like more perfect. First time trying the setting spray as well, so we'll see how it goes. The sunscreen, I feel like it's there. Like I feel like everything just went in together. I do have oily combination, so but so far, you guys, my face just looks flawless. Like I'm going somewhere and I'm not, but it just looks really flawless. Everything blends in well. Some of them are like new products, some are things I've been using, and I just combined it with it, so which was fine. Now with these spiders on my lashes, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it will look good for pictures. Like if you're taking pictures and you want your lashes to pop, definitely. But for me personally, like for everyday type, I wouldn't go for it. My watch is telling me like, girl, you need to work out. I wouldn't go for it. I feel like it's like boom in your face, but I like it a little bit. And you know, the Fenty, the glow is there. It's not too much of a glow, but it's like perfect enough where like the little glow is not like big specks. It's like fine. It just looks like, girl, you glistening, you shining. What is that on you? We call that God's glory, and we call it the Fenty glow as well. So yeah, the lip, this is my first time doing a lip like this. When I usually do my lip, it usually is like a little bit of pink, then it is like straight brown. I've been trying to find a perfect nude brown lip like this, and this was the perfect combination. So definitely get your hands on that Juvia's Place, the Nubian Sand and the Nubian Nude lipstick and lip gloss together, and pair it off with your brown lip liner, and you will get this look right here, baby. Okay, this is the final look. I gotta go ahead and do a slow-mo for you guys. So that is the whole look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and like I always say, put God first and you will never be last, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.